Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design custom labels for homemade products on Canva. So the first I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course I have done right here. And next I'm going to show you two ways to start your design processes. The first way is to create a design from scratch. All right, that would mean, clicking on this create a design button at the top right corner of your screen. Or the second way is to choose the template option at the mid left corner of your screen. Now, once you click on templates, it's going to take you to a wide array of templates that you can choose from. This happens to be my favorite option because, come on, it facilitates my creative processes and it spurs the creative genius in me. So for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to use templates. Okay, so this is the word of template. All right. This is the templates window, what I call the word of templates. Now, at the top corner of the screen, there's a search bar. So in the search bar, we're going to be very sincere with Canva. Now, this tutorial says design custom labels for homemade products, right? So we're going to do that. So we're going to type in custom labels for homemade products. It's taking us to the world of more templates for custom labels. So right here, so in the search bar, go ahead and custom labels for homemade products. Oh, that wasn't properly spelled. All right, it's loading up. Ta-da! So here you go. Now they're going to give you like a wide array of designs, a wide array of custom labels, a wide array of designs. But before you get too excited, I would like you to know that not all the designs are for free. Yes, it means, in fact, the saddest part of the whole thing is that the best designs on Canva are labeled pro. Something like this. It's you have to click on this try Canva Pro to subscribe to the premium version for you to access those kind of designs. But there's good news. You can definitely find a design that is for free and tweak it or manipulate it to get the best design of your choice. So we're looking for custom labels for homemade products, right? And we need a label, a really beautiful custom label for that. So this is a nice label, right? This is a nice one that we can use. So just click on it, and once you click on it, the next thing that you have to do is to click on customize these templates. So click on customize this template, and then it's going to take you to the editing suite where you can now use every element, every trick, every tip to get the best design of your choice. Here you go. All the elements are going to load up at the left corner of your screen. But the first thing before that all comes up, I just want to show you what you can use this slider for. Now, if you take the slider backwards, you're going to notice that you're zooming out, right? So I don't need to explain further. Now, if you take it forward, it means you are zooming in. Now, it's okay to zoom in to a great level so that you can see every text when you want to change the text. So I'm going to show you how you can change your text. You can, of course, tweak this element. So here you have this text. I want to change it, right? I'm going to double click using the left button of my mouse. So double click and I'm going to change it to Amy. Say the name of my brand, that's Amy Mac. And what do I want to sell? Is it organic soap? Do we leave it at organic soap, or let's double click that and make it green? because we're changing things, right? So if you also want to change the font, you can click on this drop down menu to change the font to whatever you want to change it to. And you can also, but I like the way the font is, so you can also click here to change the font size. So after changing the font size, you can even use the slider right here, all right, to not changing, click out when you want to stop designing anything. So you can use this to, you know, reduce the size. Now I've shown you how to manipulate words, right? So change the font or change the font size, and then make bold or italicize, whichever one, if those options are available for you. Or you can even change the text. So I'm going to change the text color after I've changed the background color, because that's the next step we're going into. So I want to change the background color to something else. So I'm clicking on this color right here, and I want to change the color. I like to use this mixed colors kind of to just make the whole thing really nice. So let's say I'm using that color, and then we have this white, so it means this brown isn't going to make sense again. So I'm not flipping. So click on the brown and change this brown to, does that work? Okay, yeah, so that works. So I take this too, and I change that text color to blue, this shade of blue. So everything brown I want to change to blue. So change all, it makes everything brown changes to blue. That makes it all easier, like so much easier. So you see, I've been able to change color. So if I want to move this, let's say I want to move this to this, all right, and then move this, so did you see the way that star entered into my screen? I like it. So here, this other star, I think I'm gonna have to remove that and just leave it this way. So here is Amy Mac. Amy Mac has to be centralized, and I want to increase the font for Amy, so let's make it 5. So Amy has 5 there. Change. So Amy Mac is the name of the brand. I like this, so I may not want to remove that element. So if you want to change, you can change to something else by clicking on elements, just replace it. All right, so that's pretty much everything. So just, okay, this, I think I want to get rid of that line. Okay, so this is pretty much it, right? Once you're done, okay, you say I'm currently offline because, all right, my internet connection is really not strong. But then once you're done, as far as you're online, okay, so I can lose my work. That's sad. All right, but I won't lose my work by the way. So once you're done, you see that the share thing button is going to be enabled because internet connection is not so strong. That's why it's all the elements are out of here. But then once you're done, click on the share. Once you click on share at the top right corner, click on the download setting that suits your system or that suits you. And once you're done, you'll be able to download this beautiful piece of art. So this is a